GTA Loft with the YouTube channel Wings of New Jersey. Yes, right here, right now. Hey, what's up everybody? What's up? I'm flying birds today, but I got hit by the hawk. Two of them came. Whoa! I got some flights and some rollers together. Ah, what a rush. They're doing a great job so far. So far I haven't lost nothing. But they here, two of them. I think it's a pair of Coopers. Yo, bro, that's something, isn't it? Ah, they're flying nice. That's a good training. Guys, you remember we have a show? December 7th, Saturday. East Brunswick, 4H Building, Cranberry Road, New Jersey, state of mind. Oh, here it is. Attack. Nah, ain't gonna get. You're not gonna get, you son of a bitch. You're gonna get those birds. Those birds are bomba ракета петарда. They're super. Look at him. He's gonna keep them up for a couple hours. That's alright. Exercise. Great job. Talk to you later, guys. Have a great Monday.